everyone and welcome to ScalaHosting's YouTube channel. My name is Bruslav and today I want to talk to you about the process of setting up WordPress on your virtual private server. Now, if you have a managed VPS, the task is pretty simple. You usually have an automatic installer and all you need to do is pick the admin login credentials. If, however, you have a self-managed VPS, the process is a bit more complicated, and to help out, we have a guide on our blog that will show you all the steps you need to take and give you all the information you need. Let's take a closer look at it and see what we've got. We start off with a section that discusses the differences between a managed and the self-managed VPS. The goal is to show you the two options and help you decide which one of them is best for your project, depending on its requirements and also on the level of technical expertise you have. Next up, you'll see what you need to prepare before installing WordPress on a virtual server. Now, to work correctly, WordPress needs a web server, a database management application, and also PHP. You'll see how to install all of them in this section. Further down, you have the actual steps for manually installing WordPress on a VPS. And now there are a couple of approaches you can take, but we've chosen the simpler one, which is uploading WordPress's files to the server, setting up the databases, and then using the installation wizard to complete the installation. You'll see that there's nothing too complicated about the steps, but nevertheless there are a few glitches that might appear during the installation process, and there are a few issues you may encounter afterwards. In the next two sections you will see how to identify and troubleshoot them. Finally, you'll see what the advantages and disadvantages of using WordPress on self-managed VPS are. To learn more about all this, make sure you check out the link in the description, share it on social media if you find it useful, and I'll see you next time.